grocery store today. So, yeah, let's just go. Just a reminder, guys, this is actually just a skit. I'm not actually, it's just in my room, so, yeah. It's just squishies and slime, desserts and stuff, pets, So, let's go. So, guys, we're here, so let's just grab an empty bag. I think this will do. I'm gonna just grab an extra bag just in case. So, yeah, my daughter is 6, so my sister's 6, not my daughter. So, let's look at the soups. How to place that, but I think that will do it. So, got my bag, got my $20 to buy all my food. The money's actually fake, guys, so yeah. So my daughter, she's the best kind of soup. I will go ask at Aiden. So they said the best kind of soup are these, but they're the most expensive. So they are. Oops. Sorry, guys. $5.90. Come on, focus. It won't focus, but it's $5.90. So I'll just buy those. Those are almost. So that's already $12 out of my 20. So my daughter really likes those soups. Let's go look at the food and the pets, because my daughter really wants another pet. So let's just check the fruits out. There's an apple. My daughter, I like apples. Why do I keep on saying my daughter? Why? Guys, it's literally funny. I keep on saying my sister, daughter, But it's literally a half-open strawberry. So I don't know. I think she needs a full strawberry. My daughter. I think I need a full strawberry, not half. So let's just do that. So let's go check over to the desserts. So, in order for this to quiet, we're just gonna pretend. Wow, does it fell? So let's go check out, because I think my brother would really like this football. This is from the dollar store, actually, guys, so pretty good quality. So yes, I think he doesn't like hard footballs, so he likes the more foamy ones. So let's check out the desserts. They have tarts. They have some cakes. This is a unicorn cake. It looks very delicious. Then they have cupcakes with fake edible eyeballs. That's cute. And then they have little mini croissants. So, I really like dessert. And my dad does too, so I think I'll grab a cake today. I'll put that in a box. I think I'll put all my items in a box today, but I think that's all I need. So, let's go check out the pets. There's only one. It is a wolf. Has a cut in its neck. Like, it's bad, but we can stitch that up. But I'm not looking for pets today. Maybe next time. I know my brother really wants a dog, but I think he'll wait till, there's a better dog that isn't as disabled. So 3 peppers. So I'm just gonna see if I want. I think I'll get 1 more soup. And I'll get the cake, put that cake in the box. And I think I'll just put my whole entire bag in the box. Because, you know, it's big. And I think I'll get, what is the second best soup? It is the Jiggly Soups. Oh, here are the Jiggly Soups. Which one do you think is better? I'm pretty sure the purple one. So you should take, no, actually the blue one. So I'll take the blue one. How much is that? It is only $1. Okay, I'll take that soup, put it into my box I meant. And I think that's all I'm gonna get when I grab my cash and pay for it at the cash register. I'm gonna make sure it's only $20. $20. Okay. Put the bag right there. Shut my box. So everything overall, there. Okay, let us just check the box. So let us see the box. See what you got and see how much. Thank you. So let's see in the bag. So how many of these did you get? 2. So that's 12. Football's 50 cents. 12.50, 50. So that's 13.50 cents. 50 cents, okay. So that's $13.50. This is $1, $14.50. This is $5. 13, no. So that would be 19. And then there's tax on football, $14.50. That's 50 cents. So $20 even. Here you go, sir. Thank you, ma'am. We'll put that into our cash register. Cha-ching. Thank you. You have a good day. You too. Ta-da. Today. So, yeah. Let me just tape up the box. Make sure nothing falls out. Taped it up. Let's bring it home, guys. So, guys, I just got back. This lighting is bad. So I think this is a good lighting. Well, let's go check over here. This is good. I think this. So yeah. Let's just do our haul. I don't know how to do this haul, so I'm just gonna turn around and do it like this. So, yeah, let's actually do our haul, and yeah, I don't know how to place this, but you know. So first, we'll start off with the cake. One sec, guys. I'm gonna make sure this is good. I think that's good. So, to start it off, we have the unicorn cake, and it's super squishy and slow rising. Just has a couple defects because, you know, I've been squishing it. I can't do it. I know. Just move that really quick. And yeah, so we'll start off with the next one. I got this football at Dollar Store. I don't think it's meant to be a squishy, but it has squishy material. Next, apple a day. See, keeps the doctors away. So we got an apple. Got the 2 soups. I will do some ASMR putty because they're just like slime, so you know. And then got a not half eaten apple strawberry, guys. So, yeah, let's go into the ASMR. One sec, guys. I don't know how to hold it up. I'm going to try and use this phone without pressing the off record button. That doesn't work. Maybe that will. It's too big. I don't know what else I got. Here, I'll just try and do ASMR on this, but I don't know how to hold it up. Sorry guys, that was a fail. Let's just see. Nope, just plain black. So put my pop socket in. I don't have something heavy, so guys, I'm just trying. The tissue box might work. I'm just gonna grab this tissue box. Sorry guys, just trying to adjust that to where is good. I really hope that it's good, guys. I'm sorry. But yeah, let's start off with the green one. What's up, guys? I need to put something in here to make it a little heavier. So I'm just gonna put some slime in here. 2 slimes, squishy, another squishy, another squishy. It just needs to be heavier. More squishies. So I think that's better. So yeah, that's the green one. I'll try and do a slime swirl. As you can tell, this is the actual Fun Glitter Putty. It is glitter, but I wouldn't call it putty. It smells like putty. It looks like putty. It doesn't play like putty, so you know it's like, what the heck? What do you call it? Just gonna let it shrink down and show. I know it's not a butter slime, but I don't get why they call it butter slime. And they're like, just drag it. It's amazing. And it's like, it's the worst drag ever. You know, I think butter slime should be like normal slime. And then slime should be hot, like it's the butter slime, like clay. The yellow one is my favorite because it's not as dense. It's more free, you know. See, look, it drags amazing. Look, I got some on my finger. And it's just a tiny bit sticky, This one's more loose, as you can tell. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, guys, I forgot, the main part. This one. So the jiggly one. It's a really weird slime. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So love y'all. What it is, what it be. Goodbye, my little. Comment down below what you want our name to be. I think it should be that's actually really hard. I think I'll call you guys I don't know. My squishy babes out there. Guys or girls, squishy babes, what up? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope all of you squishy babes, squishy and slime babes are doing good, and bye y'all. I hope you enjoyed what it is, what it be, what it. Goodbye.